How to find your Skrill email address. Looking for a quick and easy way to find the email address registered with Skrill? In this video, I'll show you the exact steps without any confusion, so let's get started. For the clearest view of all registered emails, use a web browser because Skrill's email management page is browser only. Go to Skrill, sign in, and open Settings. Select Personal Details, then choose Email Address. This page shows every email linked to your wallet. The address marked Primary is your main login email and the address that normally receives security messages. Any secondary emails will appear on the same page along with their verification status. Do not confuse your Skrill email with the Google or Apple account used to download the app. If you cannot sign in because you have forgotten the registered email, open the Skrill help page, choose the option for users who cannot log in, and contact support. They will ask questions to locate the wallet and verify your identity, so do not keep guessing different addresses and accidentally trigger a security restriction. And that's it. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more simple how-to guides.